Situated in the bustling heart of Taytay, Monaco Hotel is the first affordable luxury hotel in town, designed for those who crave elegance and comfort in every aspect of their stay. Hi Rizaleños, I am Seth and we are here in Monaco Hotel, located at the Monaco Strip Ortigas Avenue Extension, Taytay, Rizal. Today, they are celebrating their first anniversary along with the birthday celebration of Mr. Mark Carpio, the Executive Vice President of Monaco Hotel. I am very much excited to meet the people behind Monaco and also to meet some of the VIPs invited here. So, let's go! The event is about to start, but before that, let me give you a quick tour here in Monaco Hotel. So that's all of our tour. Now we are here in Grimaldi Restaurant to interview some of the VIPs and guests here in the event.
Hello, my name is Jerome Carpio. I'm the Vice President for Hotel and Operations of Monaco Hotel and Grimaldi Resto Bar. Maraming salamat sa mga dumalo ngayong gabi sa aming first anniversary, lalong-lalo na sa mga aming staff, mga partners, stakeholders, suppliers, and especially friends and family. Maraming salamat. Hello, Kuya Mark. Just setting it straight lang para alam ng lahat, Kuya kita. Kasi I'm sure baka nagtataka kayo. Sinong so tanda sa amin. But anyway, Kuya, happy birthday. 2 years na lang. Life begins ka na. I've been idolizing you since bata pa tayo. And hanggang ngayon, idol na idol kita. So, we're very proud of your success and we wish you nothing but the best. Happy birthday. Sa mga Rizaleño, mga kapwa Rizaleño, ako'y taga Rizal ho din. Iniimbita ko kayo dito pumunta sa Monaco Hotel and Grimaldi Resto Bar. Ang Monaco Hotel ay the #1 and the only one hotel in Taytay, Rizal. So sana ho makapunta kayo dito para ma-enjoy nyo ang ating tangkilikin ng sariling atin. Tao kayo dito.
Hi Rizaleños! So we have here si Sir Mark Carpio and it's his birthday today. So happy birthday po, sir.
Thank you.
Can you please share with us po a little bit kung anong birthday wish nyo today po?
Actually, sa ngayon wala na akong hihilingin pa eh. Kasi yung mga hiniling ko 4 or 5 years ago, nangyayari na sila ngayon eh. Kaya siguro it's more of, instead of asking for something, it's more of giving thanks na maraming salamat dahil natutupad na sila.
Can you please invite yung fellow Rizaleños natin para bisitahin tayo dito sa Monaco Hotel po?
Mga Rizaleños, I'm inviting everyone na puntahan ninyo itong Monaco Hotel and also itong Grimaldi Resto Bar. Marami tayong kantahan dito sa mga mahilig mag-videoke at mahilig mang-agaw ng mic. Halina, tara, kantahan tayo.
Ayun, ako pala yun. Mahiling mag-agaw ng mic. Anyway, thank you so much, sir. And once again, happy birthday po.
Thank you.
Congratulations din sa first anniversary na.
Thank you very much.
Hi guys! So ngayon, andito po tayo with the President of Monaco Hotel, si Engineer Reynaldo Carpio. Hello po, Engineer. Kumusta po?
Mabuti naman at dumalo kayo dito sa first year anniversary ng Monaco Strip Mall and Hotel. So welcome dito sa...
Ayun. So congratulations sir sa first
you.
anniversary po ng inyong hotel. So can you share naman po sa ating fellow Rizaleños the story or the concept behind the Monaco Hotel po?
So saan ba nagsimula ang Monaco? Actually in 1995, I went to Europe, attended a Rotary International Convention in France, particularly in Monaco. And I was impressed about the beautiful places in Monaco, and I was able to get their designs and bring home here in the Philippines. No? Diyan nagsimula yan. At ginamit kong pangalan yung Monaco at nag-design ako ng para sa panlasa ng Pilipino. No? So, paano nagsimula itong hotel na ito? The name of our company is Grand Monaco Development Incorporated. At pinangalan ko itong hotel na ito sa Monaco Hotel dahil yung mga hotel dun sa Monaco kasi mga grandeur eh. So, doon nagsimula yung mga architectural design. No? At gusto ko magkaroon ng world-class hotel dito sa Rizal, particularly sa Taytay, na hindi mo kailangan pumunta sa Europe para maka-experience ng first-class hotel. Kahit dito sa ating Taytay, meron tayong Class A na mapupuntahang hotel.
Ayan. Okay po, thank you po for sharing the story behind the Monaco Hotel. So invite naman po natin ang ating fellow Rizaleños para bisitahin tayo dito and mag-book ng stay here in Monaco Hotel.
Yeah, inaanyayahan ko kayo na pumunta dito sa Monaco Hotel. Ito ay 100 rooms hotel na 4-star category. Marami tayo dito mga function rooms na pwedeng magkaroon ng workshop, seminar. At itong pa natin, Grimaldi Resto Bar. Gabi-gabi, meron ditong nagpe-perform na mga artist, mga sikat. No? So, yung mga mahilig makipag-jamming dito sa Grimaldi. Gabi-gabi, meron magaganap. So, maraming salamat.
Yun pala. So yun, fellow Rizaleños, punta na rin kayo dito sa Monaco Hotel. So thank you so much, Engineer Carvio.
Thank you, thank you.
Bye!
Happy anniversary sa Grand Monaco Hotel. Sa Grimaldi, happy anniversary. And happy birthday din kay Sir Mark Carvio. Kaya mga kapwa ko taga-Rizaleño, pasyalan nyo na yung aming lugar. Siguradong mag-i-enjoy kayo dito. Thank you very much.
Congratulations!
Hi, congratulations! And happy birthday, Mark!
And that's it for today's event, guys. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, When in Rizal. And our Instagram, When_in_Rizal. At sabay-sabay natin iangat hindi lamang ang turismo, kundi pati na rin mga lokal na produkto at negosyo dito sa Rizal. Muli, I am Seth. See you sa next vlog. Bye!